So right now we have a pretty bad rainstorm. It's pretty windy out. I'm trying to do a swing off the edges. And it's raining pretty bad. Let's say we had close to an inch of rain. Now the wind's trying to blow the door shut. It's supposed to continue raining the rest of the night. So probably be another update. But consider I almost lost control of the door. It's gonna be a good video. Maybe an update later.